Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I try to make 4 different types of bows which look good on both wreaths and gift boxes. So let's begin with bow number 1. For this we need, I took 2 burlap or jute bands, colors are of your choice, aluminum wire, scissors, hot glue, and this beautiful flower deco crystal. So let's get started. As you can see, I have taken 2 different sizes of these jute bands, a bigger and a smaller one. I take the big one, made a small fold at one end and cut it. This fold should be size of your finger. Keeping it aside, let's take the smaller size band. Fold it on one end and make the equal size fold on the other end and make 2 more folds of the same size on the back side. The idea is that the green fold comes on top of these red folds like this. Now take the bigger jute band and start making folds which are slightly bigger than the size of the red fold. Fold it on one end and make an equal size fold on the other end and try to make a couple of more folds. Here I made 3. The rest of the folds which I made were slightly bigger than the first one. Once you're happy with the folds, now place the smaller bands on top of the bigger bands, and now it's time to cut the tail. Fold the remaining jute band into 2 equal parts and cut it into 2. Make a small loop out of the green fold and glue it on top of the red folds. Once it has dried, take the aluminium wire, pass it through the middle of the smallest green fold all the way to the bottom in order to fold or tie all the green folds and red fold, everything together. Cut the aluminium wire and twist the wire to keep the folds together. Take the other jute band which we have cut for the tail, insert it into the wire and tie them together. That's it, we are almost done. Once all the folds are tied together, slightly pull apart the folds of the red bow and repeat the same also for the green bow. This gives a proper shape to the bow. Once you are happy with the outcome, glue the small flower crystal on top of the bow. Cut the ends of the tails into a V shape. So this is how our bow looks like once done. It can be attached onto any wreath with the help of aluminium wires. So our first bow is done. Hope you like it. If you would like to know how to make the flower wreath, please click on the link above. Let's begin with our bow number 2. For this I have taken a different colored jute band. Fold one end into a shape of number 8. Once you're happy with the result, pin the end to the band. Now repeat the shape of 8 again. If you like, you can make more. As the size of the jute band I had was small, I made just 2. Bring the jute band until the center and pin it together. Cut the remaining jute band into 2 equal parts for the tail. Now pin the other part of the tail also to the bow. That's it, we are almost done. It's now time to decorate it with some flowers. So I've taken a decorative flower, inserted an aluminium wire and popped it into the middle of the bow. I added some more decorative strings around, and that's it. It was done. So let's begin with our bow number 3. This is also a simple one as the first 2. For this I've taken a silver gift wrap, an aluminium wire and scissors. So let's begin. Make a small fold size of 2 fingers. Hold the loop with your thumb and start folding the rest of the band into loops which are slightly bigger than the middle one. Make as many loops as you want. Make the folds or the loops in the increasing order of their sizes as they go out. Once you are happy with the number of folds, cut the bow from the remaining gift wrap. Open it, but hold all the folds together with your thumb, as you can see here. Take the aluminium wire, pass it through the middle of the first loop and tie all the folds together. Cut the aluminium wire, tie all the folds together. We can leave the bow as it is here. This is also a pretty good shape. Or we can start pulling the folds apart as we did with our first bow. As you see, I pulled out the first 2 folds onto opposite side, left the third one and pulled out again the 4th and 5th fold. So that's it. This is how it looks at the end. It makes a pretty good wrap onto any gift boxes. Hope you liked it. Now let's move on to bow number 4. For this I've taken a gift wrap ribbon, a aluminium wire and scissors. So let's get started. Fold one end of your ribbon into the size of or length of your wrist. Now keep wrapping the ribbon into as many folds as you want. The more, the better. Here I have maybe around 8 folds. Once we are done making the folds, tie the ribbon together at the center with the aluminium wire. Cut the excess aluminium wire and now start pulling the folds of the bow on each side. Pull one fold of the ribbon and twist it. Pull another fold on the other side and again twist it. Repeat the same for all the folds on each side. Make sure you twist it after you have pulled each fold out. Once you have pulled out all the folds, arrange them nicely so that the bow looks fluffy and full. So that's it. This is how we make these fluffy bows and they look awesome on top of gift boxes. So that's it guys. This is how we make 4 different types of bows. Hope you liked my video. If yes, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.